As you can see from the title, the reason I started this channel was to get the MX650 and put all the extras on it, everything else. But obviously they don't do them in the UK, and I saw one other one I tried to get and I couldn't get it. And now we got one. I brought one, it was on eBay. I brought it without the motor, without the, what else, the battery. So I don't need it, so I'm putting all the stuff in. I'm going to be putting over £1,000 worth of electro and co parts in. That's all on its way, it's all coming. The only downside is, at the moment, it's a Monday evening, 3:45, or afternoon. But to pick this up, I've got to drive 180 miles since I left, and 3 hours and probably with traffic about 15 minutes each way to go and get this bike. So one, let's hope it's not a scam. Two, let's hope there's no cracks on it and it's actually working. And if it is, all these parts are coming. So we're going to do a complete build, complete ride on. This is what I've been waiting to do forever. I know in America you have them everywhere. You can pick them up from car boot sales and everything else for about $50, $100. We don't get them. They was never introduced over here, so I don't know how you got them. So I'm going to find out when I get there. I don't know if people brought them over when they were in the bases, from the American bases around here, but yeah, so here we go. Right, we've done over about an hour now, so we've still got 108 miles, 230, why do I keep saying that? I keep reading it off of there. 2 hours and 13 minutes to go. It keeps going up and down because lovely British traffic. We're in rush hour now, but as you can see, we're about there. Just to let you know what I'm going to be putting in it. So at the minute I've got coming the one motor from Electron & Co. So that's basically, that can go up to 19,000 watts, but I'm using my Moray battery. I'm going to be running about 14,400 watts through it with the far driver controller. But I think I'll get a bigger far driver controller because then I've got the boost on that battery, so I'll put more through it. They reckon not going higher than 250 and 500 phase, where my controlling goes up to 200, so we can do that on the boost. That'll be our highest setting. That's coming. We've got the V2 forks, we've got the rear shock, we've got the extenders, we've got bloody tyres coming. I don't know if I might get some race ones as well, so we can find a track. So we've got the off-road ones and the race ones, so we've got all that coming. It's going to be over £1,000. So I'm having it shipped over from America. I've got to pay VAT on it, because our lovely government love to put on VAT on tax on everything, literally everything you can think of. And you Americans moaning that you're paying $4 a gallon for fuel. Do you know how much it is over here at the minute? You're paying about $2 a litre, so not a gallon, a litre for unleaded, and you're paying about $2.60 for diesel a litre, because once again our government, 70% of that is basically duty and VAT, so they love it over here to sting you for everything you got. So yeah, so I will check back in when we get a bit nearer, but as you can see, I'll show you this bit. If you're on the motorway, you don't really see much. Near where we're going, I think we're going near the mountains. We're nearer to the Lake District, I think. So there might be some nice views. Right, update number 3. Have a look. Traffic. And my argument is, who the hell would be going Bradford? Why is there traffic? No one goes Bradford. Right, fourth and hopefully final update until I get the bike. If you look now, we're 27 minutes away now. We're up in the hills now. We went about, I think the highest point went about 1,500 foot up. So it's been a bit of a mental road trip to pick up this bike. I've run out of energy drink. We're on our way, 26 minutes. Hopefully we pick it up nice and easy, get it. I don't know if we end up going to do a ride on today. Not with that bike, obviously, because it's not going to have a motor or anything in with anything, but with the competition bike. But we made it. We're up north now. there's only a few things different from people from south and up north. One, they eat gravy with their chips. They're funny accents, and it rains all the time. Other than that, we're pretty much the same. So we're nearly there. I probably won't film going to the door or anything, because the guy don't obviously know I'm doing videos, and I wouldn't like it if someone turned up to my house with a camera. So we'll get the bike, I'll get it in the back, we'll pull over somewhere, I'll film it, show you it, and then that should wrap things up, unless we do a ride on. We'll see how we go. But yeah, nearly there. There we go, so we got it. We got the 650, finally. Been waiting nearly over a year now for one of these. We got it, so stay tuned, wait for all the upgrades. I'll be doing all the unboxing of all the parts, and then we'll be getting it all done. Before that will probably be the 72 volt. Oh, actually, the video might not come out till after that anyway. But thanks for watching. Right, we finally got it. It wasn't a scam. We got the MX650 in the UK. First one. I know there's a few floating around, but none's been upgraded yet. So as you can see, Electro & Co. I've had all of this imported. It's close to $2,000 worth of stuff here. I've got the Beast 1 motor. I've got the forks. I've got the on-road tyres, the off-road tyres, suspension, the seat, gut seat. I don't know what I ain't done. The only other thing I ain't done is the lights, but that'll be a future video. So what we're going to do, I'm going to do some unboxing, a couple of videos coming up. We're going to do the full build. Then we're going to take it on road. We're going to go off-road track. I'm going to take it on trips with me, because I'm going to start doing a few trips around the UK. Comment, please comment and subscribe. Tell me if you think that's a good idea. I've got a camper van video coming up. I'm going to turn my little van into a camper van to take bikes away, so we can do trips. We can do trips around the UK and do more videos. So please comment, like and subscribe, and let me know what you think. Thank you for watching, and thank you for watching the trip up there. I was honestly thinking, is this a scam? I'm going to turn up, is it going to be there? Because you don't really get these in the UK. So I reckon this is going to be the first 14,400 watt power Razor MX650 in the UK. I really do think it is. I ain't seen him anywhere else. I ain't seen him online. If you know of one, or you've got one, stick it in the comments. Let me know. And sorry to Bradford. I never meant to slag you off too much. I'm only joking. And yeah, so like, comment and subscribe, and come back for the unboxing, then the build, then the fun begins. Thank you for watching. Can't believe I finally got one. Let's go.